morning, everyone, and I'm really excited. This Wednesday at 2 p.m. we have Nacho Eguiarte joining us from Culiacan, Mexico. He's a specialist in chronic disorganization, and you can check in with him, with us, with your decluttering dream team, Elaine McKinley, Clara Moore, and myself. Come in on the message board, ask us any questions, and you can also find it on our Clutter Chat YouTube channel after the event. But we'll be live on Clutter Chat Charity Facebook page this Wednesday, 2 p.m. And the following week, which is the last in our Thinking Global Acting Local series, we have Gayatri Gandhi, all the way from India, who will be answering more questions. So really excited about the last two episodes in this series, and this is brought to you by the Clutter Chat charity from Glasgow, Scotland. And what we do is we seek the relief of people who suffer because of clutter, offering support, advice and assistance, and raising awareness. So no question is stupid, all questions are welcome, and we seek to help where we can. Looking forward to seeing many of you on Wednesday live. So that's 2 p.m. GMT.